She's faced the hardest times you could imagine, though many nights her eyes fought back the tears love knows. But when her useful world was about to fall in, each time her slender shoulders caught the weight of all her fears, and the silence no one hears, just raging midnight silence in her ear. Let her cry, 'cause she's a lady. Let the tears fall, 'cause she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a sweet and gentle flower growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for all times. And if I'm allowed just one possession, I would pick her from the garden to be mine. I would pick her from the garden to be mine. I would pick her from the garden to be mine. Oh, baby. On to the next one.